Okay guys, today's January 24th. I got a message on the YouTube video that somebody is interested in the block and that they plan on purchasing it tomorrow. It's 10 o'clock at night, so I'm in the garage. Not a lot of room to work with right here. But I found a box that I could fit the block in. I'm going to pull off the main studs for them, the crank, the block, pistons and rods. I just gotta find the bolts for the rods and the ARP head studs. I told them I will include, so I gotta go through and dig through all this, but that's it guys. This is the last big part of the Sentra motor. It's about to go bye-bye, and then we'll see what happens next, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this all together, pull those off, the main studs, and then probably turn this back on and show it all packaged up and ready to go for hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, gotta dig through some of this and get some stuff out of here to send with this guy. But that's it guys. The built motor is sold, I hope, and it's off to a new home come tomorrow. But alright guys, let me get all this stuff out. Okay, it took me a little bit of time, but I'm not going to end up removing these. I can't find the right Allen key, if that's what you want to call it, to get those out. And I don't feel like damaging them by trying to strip them by forcing what I have, so I'm just going to leave it alone, set it in there. But I found the ARP, the K1 rod bolts. There it is, and the head bolts, studs, and all that good stuff is in there. So I'm going to go ahead and package this guy up, see how well I can fit it all into this box. Nice and well padded, so I'm going to go ahead and get to that. Alright, here it is. Package the crap out of the corners. I think I'm going to lay some of this wrap in the middle and then lay the crank on top. And I think I'm going to have to send the pistons in its own box. So let me see how the crank sits with all that wrap right here, just so it's not metal on metal surface when it's getting shipped. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down that paper and lay the crank in there. There it is. I'll probably put some stuff in between all this and all the way around, and yeah, pistons will go in its own box. Alright, there it goes. Went ahead, wrapped around all these bolts, made sure there's no contact. So it's good to go. Lay the rest of it right across this top. Everything will be pretty well protected like this. So we're looking pretty good. Alright, there it goes. One packed and ready to go. Time to just get this stuff in its own box. But I think I'm going to close this guy up and have it ready to go. Okay guys, pistons are all wrapped up. ARP head bolts and studs, rod bolts. It's all ready to be shipped. Now I just got to put all this stuff back in this corner. A little tight when both cars are in here. But don't forget, like, subscribe, share the video. Built block is sold, and it's time to put that money into the other projects. But like I said, built block's gone guys, so just a little bit still to get rid of, and soon and eventually we'll get the Sentra back on the road. I gotta pull apart all this stuff and clear out this engine bay and see what improvements I can do, clean up. But future videos. It does help that I got rid of the block, because now I got some space. But that's it, guys. Sad story for the Sentra, but it's time to lose the QOR and move on to the VQ soon, I hope. But thanks, guys. Appreciate it.